Are you planning to start a website or blog, but confused about which web hosting to choose? In this video, I'm comparing the top 5 web hosting companies in 2025 based on speed, uptime, support, and pricing, and I'll also tell you which one is best for beginners. Let's get started. 1. Hostinger. Hostinger is one of the most popular and affordable hosting providers for beginners. It offers fast loading speeds, 99.9% uptime, and a very user-friendly dashboard. You get a free domain, free SSL, and 24/7 live chat support. It's perfect for portfolio sites, blogs, and small businesses. Speed, 1.2 seconds. Average uptime, 99.95%. Starts at just $2.99 month. Best for beginners on a budget. Link in the description with discounts. 2. Bluehost. Recommended by WordPress. Bluehost is a solid choice if you want to create a blog or online store using WordPress. It's beginner-friendly, has a clean interface, and offers great support. Speed, 1.5 seconds. Uptime, 99.9%. Starts at $3.45 month. Best for WordPress users. Check the description for special Bluehost deals. 3. Namecheap. Namecheap is best known for domains, but they also offer very cheap hosting plans, great for beginners and small sites. Speed, 1.7 seconds. Uptime, 99.88%. Starts as low as $1.98 month. Best for simple websites or personal projects. It's not the fastest, but it's hard to beat the price. 4. 2 Hosting. If performance matters, a 2 Hosting delivers with turbo servers and fast loading times. They also offer advanced developer tools. Speed, 1.0 second. Average uptime, 99.96%. Starts at $2.99 month. Best for speed and performance. A bit technical for beginners, but powerful for growing sites. 5. SiteGround. SiteGround is known for stability and premium support. It uses Google Cloud infrastructure, which means fast loading and excellent security. Speed, 1.3 seconds. Uptime, 99.99%. Starts at $3.99 month. Best for business and e-commerce sites. It's slightly more expensive but very reliable. Quick recap. Hostinger best for beginners. Bluehost best for WordPress. Namecheap best for budget. A 2 Hosting best for speed. SiteGround best for premium needs. My recommendation: if you're just starting out, I highly recommend Hostinger. It's easy to use, affordable, and comes with all the essentials to launch your site fast. Check the description for discounted links to all these hosting services. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which one you're choosing.